Hello friends and welcome back. Today it feels like the first day of fall today. It's not, it's October 17th. But it feels really, really nice outside. It's probably still in the 60s. I think the high is supposed to be 72. And so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean out the garage and we're going to, well, I'll show you some of the things we're gonna do out here. So, out here in the back, we need to get the chairs cleaned again and put in the garage for winter. We need to get our umbrellas taken down and put those in the garage for winter. And then on this back porch, we need to clean up a little bit. And I've got some places where I need to like fix the stain, where you can see it's kind of coming off a little bit. So we need to kind of pressure wash this and let it dry and then fix the wood a little bit, just kind of touch up, because we do have this stain. It's really thicker, it's more like a paint, but I need to do that and just kind of get the porch back in order. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Like I said, it feels really good today outside. The past few days it's been in the mid to even upper 80s, but before that, it was like in the lower 80s all the time, and we have had less humidity, so it's felt better. But today it's just, it feels like fall, so I don't even know that we're in the 70s yet. These chairs have gotten filthy under our trees. Let's see if I can focus on the mold and mildew. They're pretty bad. Hopefully we can clean them. Sophie's got her new big girl bicycle. I can't remember if we showed y'all her bike, but we got it from somebody in the neighborhood for free, and then Gary had training wheels put on there and new grips and stuff like that. And it's Sophie's favorite color, right Sophie?
It's purple, and it has owl and pink. It's got owl on it.
Got an owl on it? Yeah. And while Gary works on that, I'm gonna work on the garage, try to clean up as much as we can and put as much as we can on the shelves. And because we need to save some space on the floor for things that need to come inside. We do have Gary's red bicycle that we need to probably get rid of. We do need to keep the tandem for Sophie, and then Gary's new bike and our bikes, and then Sophie's purple bike.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making one or two turns that weren't really what I planned.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
Hard to understand. Better get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready to do all that I gotta do
So Gary used a bleach-based cleaner, and now they look really good. This was like something you spray on the hose, and it's just, I think it's basically just bleach.
It smells like it.
Algae mold and mildew. Yeah, it smells like bleach.
So basically what I did was I pressure washed that. No, okay, I put the Windex outdoor cleaner, let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then I cleaned back with the pressure washer on that one right there.
Yeah, on this first
and
one.
Pressure washed that one, and it came somewhat clean.
It got about 50% better.
Right, yeah. But then when we put that stuff on there and let it sit for 5 minutes, it has, I mean, without me even touching these other 3 chairs with the pressure washer, it's cleaning it.
Yeah.
As if it's been hit with the pressure washer already.
Yeah.
Plus more. So
yeah, it's doing a lot.
I'm still going to come back and hit it with the pressure washer just to get the
get the residue off.
To rinse it off and to.
Yeah. So that's really good. We thought these chairs might need to be replaced for next summer, so almost brand new. The wood is not looking perfect, but at least the white part is looking so much better. Right?
Yes, and this one looks brand new.
Brand new, yep.
Yes.
Instead, oh, I see all them dreams running around in my head. I've sold my
So now I'm cleaning the windows on the front porch so that Gary can come back and clean the flooring. I just want to get this done so I'm out of his way.
when I tell you the dream has become who I am. Better get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to voices in my head tell me you ain't got it. Oh no, but somewhere deep inside I'm screaming, baby, do it. I waited too long to be strong, and now I'm enough to be who I am until I'm high. I'm gonna aim high.
So Gary's spraying off the front porch so that I can come back over this and just touch up that stain on the porch. We've got a few bare areas, especially as you go down the stairs where the water hits, and then also that flat area down there. So he's just trying to get the excess dirt off of there for me, so later this week while he's gone I can go ahead and stain that area. So while Gary's cleaning the front porch, I'm gonna go ahead and wash some of the windows that I can get to on the inside of the house and on the back deck.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly,
I'm getting ready to go to the store and pick up some burgers for tonight. Gary is still working on the garage, so I kind of did what I could do, and I'm turning it over to him because he has a lot of things in there that I don't know if they're like should be given away or kept or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera on him while we go to the store so you can see what he's up to out there.
have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see.
The garage. We got all the bicycle parts and pieces back in. Gary got the chairs cleaned and stacked in here for the winter. So he was able to get like 2 side by side on the bottom and then stack the other 2 on top. So that turned out really good because it's really not taking up very much space. So he got all the bikes put back in. We did clean our shelves. So right now I wouldn't say it looks the absolute best that it possibly could, but it is sorted by category and we have taken out anything that we don't need. So I think it looks pretty good. He went through the work stuff and got rid of any of that stuff that we don't need. And we kind of organized the beach stuff. We do have this pest control stuff we're gonna be using tomorrow outside. So it's really heavy. So for now I'm leaving that there, but ultimately that will go back up here on that top shelf where we have our chemicals where Sophie can't reach. So that is a pretty decent after of the garage. Gary's getting ready to cook some bacon cheddar burgers. Super yummy. And I'll show y'all what this turned out. So we put the umbrellas up, and the umbrellas and the stands went in here, and then the bases, we just turned them sideways so water doesn't get down there. And all the floats removed, we're going to carry those around to the garage. And then we still need to move that base to the side of the house where it's kind of under the awning. I think for now we're going to leave these umbrellas here because we're likely to spend a lot more time outside now that it's so cool. So it's the next day, and now I am painting our front porch and just all of that decking that's on our front porch, and then all the way down the stairs and that little landing area at the bottom. So I'm gonna do this, and in this video we do not get to the back deck. We haven't actually done it yet, but that is next on the agenda. Both the front and the back did have a good bit of damage just from water, and we want to make sure that we don't have any wood rotting up here or in the back.
I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up and miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
Here's the after of the porch painting.
Wondering if you're thinking about me.
It turned out really nice, and hopefully it's protected. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.